Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A. It's a very simple and straightforward process, and all you need is a new battery, Phillips screwdriver and a plastic opening tool. And all the stuff comes as a battery replacement kit, which costs about $15 delivered, the link in the description. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is make sure that the device is off, and then remove your microSD card. Next, we have to remove the back cover using a thin opening tool. Insert the tool between the back cover and the frame near the SD card slot, and then run the tool around the entire edge. And finally leave the back panel off of the device. And we're inside. So first of all, we need to disconnect the battery. Remove the tape, lift the locking bar up, and slide out the ribbon cable from the connector. Then we also need to disconnect these two cables from the board. And once we're done, we can go ahead and start removing these 10 screws that hold the battery. Finally lift the battery up and remove it from the rest of the tablet. And as you can see, these two batteries are absolutely identical. So now let's put everything back together in the reverse order. Install your new battery. Replace the 10 screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Carefully slide the ribbon cables back into their connectors and lock them down. Finally put the cover back on, like so, and snap it into place. So as you can see, the battery replacement in this tablet is relatively simple, which is not the case with the newer Galaxy Tab A models. It took less than 2 hours to fully charge the battery, when the old one charges for 3 hours and stops at 60 or 70%. So thank you for watching, and I hope that it was helpful.